There's only one asset out there that moves the market tremendously. This asset is Bitcoin. I know there are some of you out there who are like, I'm not going to hold Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not for me. I want to buy and hold this altcoin to 100x my investment, to 1000x my investment to make me massive gain. But the question is, do you know what drives those altcoins to the moon? Which cryptocurrency is the big daddy that moves the market? And when the big daddy is sleeping, what happens? And when the big daddy is sick, what happens? And if the big daddy is hungry, what happens? And if the big daddy is full, like eating so much liquidity, what happens, guys? I'm here to tell you today that I'm bullish for all my altcoins that I'm holding, on all my altcoins that I'm holding. And I want you guys also to be bullish. And I'm going to tell you why I'm bullish. And I'm going to explain to you guys how you can eliminate all the noise out there in this industry. Now, like before I go into the analysis of today's video and also what I want us to discuss, I want you guys to understand this. Crypto or investment is player versus player. Someone out there is going out there to invest their money and someone else will take it from them. So if say you make profit from any coin that you've invested in, it's someone's money. Yeah, you took someone's money. There is someone willing to buy at the price that you are selling. That's why you are able to cash out in USDT. So if say the market makers pump the market, these big guys, the whales, if they are moving the market, you ought to understand this. If you don't understand when to take out profit, when to buy, when to sell, when to stay away from the market, they are going to burn you to ashes. They're going to sweep all your cash. They're going to like rock pull you in another word. So I want us to like take a deep breath, like calm down ourselves and focus. Don't be going left and right because you heard about this coin, that coin, this new coin, bong, pepe, this. Now, be patient. Those of you who were patient with me, now you are enjoying. Like most of the coins I talk here, I mean, if you are not making money, then you are in the wrong space. Trust me. Like, okay, now let's get into it. You're welcome. Yeah. This is a bit on crypto. Yeah, I create content to help you make money in the crypto space. And if say you want to be part of my community, you want to be part of what I do, go right now and that subscribe button there. Subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, at least like this video. It's gonna help a long way, and you can be part of my community as well. Join my Telegram. The link is found below this video. And follow me on Twitter. This is my Twitter handle. Let me bring my Twitter handle here before we go to crypto bubbles. This is my Twitter. Go and follow me on Twitter, guys. At Debeton. I share stuff here and then. I have now 402 followers. And yeah, I share some stuff here about Bitcoin above 40K is still super bullish. I think I didn't share that yet. I thought I shared something about ApeCoin because ApeCoin is popping. So go and do all those good stuff. If say you want to be part of my community, you want to be part of what I do, go and do all those good stuff. So let's dive into the TA for today. And if you want to take advantage, if you want to be bullish on any coin because of Bitcoin, you have to understand how that coin moves in relation to Bitcoin. Is that coin moving when Bitcoin is moving? There's a couple of coins that I am going to share with you guys today that they moves alongside Bitcoin. And one of these coins is Audi. Audi actually moves alongside Bitcoin, or Audi moves with Bitcoin. And I've realized that Audi is one of those projects out there that is going to make a lot of my followers, profit in this space. If say you are here with me long term, you are going to make a lot of money with Audi. I'm going to go to explain to you guys why I say so. Let's bring Audi, and the part of what I want to share with you guys today is going to be exactly the same with any other coins that you're gonna come across. There's some stuff I want you to look at the tokenomics. How it's being distributed, everything. Now, I don't want to even go further, but I can see that you can see at the left hand corner of this, you can see the total supply of ODI is 21 million, just as Bitcoin. The max supply of ODI is 21 million. And the fully diluted market cap is 1,231,228,754. So that's the fully diluted market cap of ODI. Now, looking at this, guys, it's a sign for you to understand that if, say, there's more pressure on this token, the price can easily move drastically to the upside. And this is in correlation with what happens with Bitcoin. All right, if there's more demand, we can see this coin even move right up to even $1,000, right? And it can move right up to the price of Bitcoin. Like we can see $40,000 already. Everything is in circulation right now. There's no token unlocked. There's nothing. Everything is in circulation. That means if you're buying ODI and holding ODI, don't expect the price of the chart of ODI to be volatile like any other altcoins, because ODI is not any other altcoins. ODI is like Bitcoin. This is the chart of ODI. ODI left about $6. It moved to about $26, and it moved to about, let's say, $63, and it moved to right up to $92. This move here from this level, from here, let's see how many percent that is from this $5 price point to the top here, which is that's gonna be about 3x. About 3,000%. 3,000%. So ODI has moved 3,884% from this short move. Now you might be saying to yourself, you are waiting for ODI to drop. No, ODI will not drop. ODI will not drop back to where it started. Why? Because they are holders. I'm gonna let's see if we can see properly here. If I can check on this Bitcoin ordinance contract, let's see if I can see how many holders are there. Okay, this could take us right away to the ordinance, the inscription of ODI, the ordinance. It says here that content things, and this is the let's see if I can get that data here. Offers, price, active, timestamp, buyers. So I'm not able to get that stats here, but you can see this is the inscription. This is only 21 million max supply. There's not more than that. That's the contract address. If say you want to buy it from yourself, you can buy it for yourself. But the reason why I'm showing you this is because you can see from the ordinance wallet that the ODI has a max supply of 21 million, and that's the only amount that can exist as a max supply. No one is gonna mint more ODI, right? So if you say we are seeing more buying pressure for Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin, then ODI can even move right up to about $1,000. And this is possible because of what I just showed you guys. Now, if say we bring in other coin, let's just say we bring in Ethereum, right? Ethereum, or let's just say Solana, right? So we can do the same analysis here and see what we can get from this as well. Because we need to understand what is going on with this ecosystem. You can see for Solana total supply is this 568,551,202 SOL, and the max supply, there's no data about the max supply here, but the security supply is this amount. Is almost the same amount as the total supply, right? But is that the max supply, or are they still minting more Solana? So let's just go to the blockchain to see if we can. Let's see, am I able to go from here to the Solana blockchain to see if say we can check it out. Solana Explorer. Let's see if say we can check this out from Solana Explorer. See if say it is possible for them to mint more Solana. Let's see. Okay, actually this is gonna give a live transaction. I think security supply this. Okay, this is what is in circulating supply, and this is what is in, I think this is what is in max supply, against this. So there's still more tokens that have to be unlocked in the market, and this can be and cause a huge price impact. It can make price to be volatile, but it's not that significant. So that's why you can see the price of Solana it can go up drastically because of this. So when you are investing in any altcoin, guys, you have to understand the economics of that altcoins to help you understand if say investors are going to dump it on you or not. Let's go take one coin, Taylor. I'll talk about this coin a lot, even though I'm bullish on TRB Taylor. But let me show you guys something that is alarming about this coin, and you guys should be aware of it because I talk about it. And if you see the price of Taylor dumping like that or making that huge move like that, it's because of things like this that most people don't understand. And I want to, educate people to understand how this works and how they can take advantage of every aspect, in this industry. There's lots of money to be made here, but you have to be able to cash it out. Now, scrolling down, you can see here clearly that let's go more downwards so we can see Taylor analytics. I showed this earlier. You can see whales are holding 79% of this token, while others are holding 20%, like almost, let me just say 20%. So these whales can actually detect or determine what happens with price. They can either dump the price on this 20% or maybe pump the price on this 20%. So they can pretend to make you feel as if the price is moving up, and then they dump it on you. You can see they have up to this huge supply. So when they are in the market and they pump the price as what they did, you can see they dump it on retail investors. Let me show you where Taylor was dumped on a retail investor. I'm going to show you now on the chart of Taylor, where it was dumped on retail investors. It's sad, guys. You need to see all this, so that you can understand what actually goes on with cryptocurrency. It's a player versus player game, and you need to be ready to, be part of that winning team. But if you're not part of the winning team, then you are part of the losing team. Now look at this, guys. Look at this liquidity. Let me even look for another chart here so we can digest this properly. Let me look for Taylor here. TRB Taylor. So this is a good chart for Taylor. Let's digest my TradingView is a little bit freezing. I think I'm gonna take down some program. I think it's because of this bookmap. It's taking a lot of energy. We're gonna go back to the bookmap today. I want us to first of all, okay, now I think it is back. We can now see Taylor. Okay, let's go and analyze this right now. This is Jito. Let's check on TRB. Yep. So now I'm here. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Now, price was going up normally with this coin, right? Price was going up normally until you can see price move this year first, second move up, then third move upward. So price move in these waves. The first move, see retracement, second move, see retracement, then third move. The third move usually is huge. When you see the third move being huge, it means they want to bring down the price, or they want to trap investors. Now you see price, this was the last move, because from here you can see that price was already going down to reset, right? And when price was resetting, it means the next move was going to be the move to trap retail investors. You can see here, and you see this pump to the upside, it was to trap with the investors to think that, wow, this coin is gonna go to $1,000, and that's when they have to dump it on them. Now, there are people who got this coin at this price. They won't sell it. They're gonna keep holding because they are hoping that price might come back there at one point. But the market makers is not going to bring back price there, because if the market maker bring back price there, these guys are going to dump it on the market maker. So what the market maker is going to do is to allow more new investors to come on board and pump the price up here. Then you guys who bought this coin up here, we're going to dump it on them, and they won't be able to sell it again. That's why when you see moves like this in the market, you ought to understand who you are in the market. Are you someone who just want to grab the liquidity and get out, or you want to stay there and be thinking that you're gonna be like making money the same way as these guys? No, you cannot make money as these guys. These guys, they have lots of liquidity in their pockets. They have lots of money to spend. If you come to want to play with them, they're gonna disgrace your pocket. They're gonna make you go almost bankrupt, right? So I said, let me do this video so I can really explain to you guys why I'm bullish and what aspect I'm bullish about. If say you see a coin, doing this bull market that moves alongside with Bitcoin, the reason why you want to buy that coin is when the coin have a really good tokenomics. And even if it doesn't have a good tokenomics, you are ready to buy and get in and get out instantly and get into Bitcoin, and then maybe later on you can buy when the price have reset. In this case now, you have an opportunity to play the game with the market maker, like alongside the market makers or the whales. Don't allow the whales to dump on you. We are gonna be here, guys, together to see things happen. Now let's check on this is the book map. Bitcoin actually is above the VWAP. I want to take some time to do a full tutorial on Bookmap, how it works. This is a new tool I've been using for a while now, and I've been trying to get hold of the tool to understand it much better, so I can explain to you guys how it works. But basically, I try to keep it simple with the Bookmap. When I see price above the VWAP, I know that price is favoring an uptrend. And if say I see price below the VWAP is just like white line in the middle, this white moving average in the middle. If say I see price below the VWAP, then I know I'm gonna be looking for a way to short Bitcoin. So that's just how I look at the book map. And you can see these bubbles here, it represents volume in the market. The red bubbles represent sell volume, and the green represent buy volume. When the green or when either of them is swollen or going in size, it means that's high volume. And the other area you see here that is shining like yellow, red, and all these colors here are where there are bids and offers. So like buy orders and sell orders. Above is buy orders, so above is sell orders, and below is buy orders. So when it's above the VWAP is sell orders, and when it's below the VWAP it is buy orders. So when price get to this area where it is like colorish area, we expect price to bounce. For example, you can see the reason why price is going to bounce that there is because of the fact that there's high liquidity here, and there's huge orders here. And when there's huge order in the market and price get to that to the area where there's orders, price is gonna react to that. And if price react and hold that zone, then you want to consider that zone as an area of interest. You can see here, if I zoom this a little bit, you can see how the orders are being played out in the market. You can see it here is like pretty simple to understand. There's much like more buy orders here. You can see around this area here we have 236 Bitcoin order here around this area, for the 2,300 or 22,000, around this 42,290 area, or 42420. So this area here, there are a lot of orders there. So I just use the book map to show me what is going on in the market. And as of now, I would say that Bitcoin looks somehow bullish, but we have to expect Bitcoin to break this for the 2,200 area before we can really say that maybe Bitcoin can hit 45,000 today. But I think we still have a long way to go with Bitcoin, and if this is gonna be the case, then we get assured that most of our altcoins are gonna do the same. They're gonna pump as well. And we know that those altcoins that we are talking about here every now and then, like all the ICP, actually talking about ICP, I think let's go and check out on ICP tokenomics. Let's see if we can get ICP tokenomics here quickly, because I always talk about ICP, guys, but I have never, trust me, this is bad. Oh boy, ICP, I've never gone to check on ICP token. Let me not say I've never, maybe I've done it and I've forgotten, but I have to take this serious now, because if I'm gonna be doing this with you guys and trying to help you guys, I ought to be able to to know all this, to see how secure it is and how I can protect everyone who is part of my community. Well, yeah, ICP looks good, man. Yeah, you can see. I think I've the reason why I love ICP, maybe it's because I've checked on this, but I'm not sure, or I don't recall doing this. Right. So you can see here, guys, the security supply is 457,365,177 ICP, while the total supply is 513,936,000 ICP. From the max supply and the security supply, it means that the price action for this coin is huge, the upside. Yeah, so I'd say let's just do that with ICP quickly. There are so many tools out there, and you can get these tools for free. This bookmap is for free. If you not get this bookmap, you can use my link below this video. It's for free, and you get this interface. You can look at what Bitcoin is doing, and when Bitcoin is showing strength in the market, you can now get your altcoins and make some profit from those altcoins, because these altcoins are gonna pump more than Bitcoin. This video is not any kind of a video out there. I'm not here to paid people to tell people buy this right now, you're gonna become a millionaire. No, I'm here to help you build wealth from scratch and to help you understand like when you should be bullish with your altcoins, when you should be holding them. When you are exposed to any altcoins, then you have to look at the security supply, the max supply, so that you don't get burned. If say the price pump, these whales will not dump it on you. But if you see it like it's a coin like ODI or ICP, the dump won't be that significant, right? You cannot just see a huge dump like that. That's why with Bitcoin it's so difficult to see a huge dump like that with Bitcoin. And when you see a huge dump with Bitcoin, usually it follows with a buyback, and that's what happens with most of these altcoins like ICP, Solana. We have seen the supply. That's why you have to be like playing around these altcoins, and then be safe with Bitcoin. And ODI can get to $1 million, $1 million. Yeah, ODI can get to $1 million. If Bitcoin can get to $1 million, then ODI can get to $1 million. I think ODI can get, if Bitcoin gets to $1 million, then one ODI can become what? $100,000. So if you believe in the future of crypto coins, you believe in crypto, you believe in Bitcoin, you believe that Bitcoin can get to $1 million, then ODI is an inscription protocol on the Bitcoin, like the Bitcoin blockchain is part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. So if you are bullish on Bitcoin, then you ought to be bullish on Bitcoin ecosystem. And there's going to be more development, of course, of more projects in the ecosystem. But ODI has made itself to be one of the top in the space. We have Stat. We also have Stacks. We also have Sats. There are other inscriptions, tokens, but ODI and Stacks. I think Stacks are more of the big dogs here in the Bitcoin ecosystem stuff. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and subscribe, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Bye bye.